So to wrap things up, we pretended we got some feedback from our director that said he wanted some dirt in the corners of the screen. So I went back into Photoshop, painted up a little bit of dirt in the corners of the screen, and added it in. And you can see now it kind of looks like there's a little bit of dirt build up in the corners, as you'd get normally from a mission or something like that in a dirty environment. So with it being said, I polished it up a little bit, saved everything out in the right formats, and basically work on your naming conventions and finish it up so you can hand it off to someone so they can easily take the asset and work with it if they need to. A lot of times in game development, you'll work on something for a while, and then weeks, months, sometimes days down the road, another artist will have to use this asset or do some work with it. And it's a lot easier if the naming conventions are done well, everything's nice and clean and easy to understand. So always keep that in mind when working. It's also easier for yourself to go back and tweak things if you know exactly what you're messing with, and what parts of the model or what parts of the texture you have open, and you're tweaking, so you always have the latest stuff as well as a clean workflow. So always keep that stuff in mind. So with looking at this now, thinking about the final solution and challenges we faced and ways we overcame them. So I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. I think it looks pretty decent. In the time frame we're allotted for a project like this, in a typical work environment, something like this might be done in a day and turned around really quickly. And as you get more experience with everything, you get faster, more efficient, and you learn how you work basically as an artist on a daily basis, and you'll learn what the team and the art director and your lead will expect from you as a finished asset. So just keep working on your stuff. Take notes on what was challenging for you, what you need to improve on. Find get part of the online communities like Polycount, CG Hub. They're all really great ones to help push you as a game artist, and just learning from others. I can't even begin to explain how much I've learned from the amazingly talented folks at Polycount, and so I hope you learned a lot from this, and look forward to seeing what you turn out in the future.